I want to go over the assignment that dealt with economic profits just real quickly. In this particular problem or assignment, we have Jeff, who decided to leave his profession as being a physician, making $200,000 a year, and go into the restaurant business. So after his first year, Jeff had revenues of $550,000. And expenses for that year, he had wages of $100,000, food $200,000, rent $50,000, and equipment of $50,000. So from an accounting standpoint, yes, very simple, straightforward. We take revenues or sales of $550,000 and minus the total expenditures, $400,000, and we come up with accounting profits of $150,000. Traditionally, that's all what it is, revenues minus total expenditures. From accounting, $150,000. So on the surface, it seems good, right? Jeff made $150,000. When we look at it from an economic standpoint, what did Jeff forego? What did he give up? Well, he gave up his salary of being a physician of $200,000 to go into the restaurant business. So what Jeff gave up, what he foregone, we consider that to be an opportunity cost in economics. And the opportunity cost is the salary of being a physician of $200,000. So when we look at it purely from an economic standpoint, when we look at, did he have any economic profits by leaving being a doctor, starting out this new business in running a restaurant? We simply would take accounting profits and we would subtract off what he foregone, opportunity costs of $200,000, and we would come up with an economic loss of $50,000. So from the standpoint of the assignment focused on economic profits. What should Jeff do when we look at economic profits? Well, he didn't have any economic profits. He had an economic loss. So therefore, he should, go back to being a physician where he can make $200,000. So that's really what the assignment was designed to look at, the difference between accounting profits and economic profits. The other assignment for the week looked at what was the freest country, and of course that was Hong Kong. And I believe when I went through this assignment, I should say when I graded this assignment, I did point out one of the reasons why. Sometimes it'll come up, you'll say, well, Hong Kong is part of China. China is not really free as such, but as I pointed out, that really Hong Kong is really a two-state. That's what China's solution was. They realized Hong Kong was really an economic miracle. They didn't want to lose that. So they decided to keep Hong Kong as it was prior to 1997. So yes, Hong Kong was so-called the freest. And of course, the United States came in number 12.